If you love a good egg dish, then you absolutely need to try this delicious and easy shakshuka recipe. I start off by cutting up some ingredients. Here I've got half of a brown onion, which I'm going to dice, about 3 garlic cloves, which I'm also going to dice, half of a red bell pepper, once again I dice up, and then you want to add some oil to your pan, get it nice and hot, and we're going to start by sauteing the onion and the garlic. Once that's cooked down for a couple of minutes, then I add in my peppers, saute that as well for a couple of minutes, and finally I add in some chopped tinned tomatoes. I season that with some salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic salt, garlic granules, and I mix that all in. Once you've allowed that to bubble away for a couple minutes, you want to create some wells in this saucy tomato mix, and then you want to drop in your eggs, and we're just going to let those essentially poach for a maximum of 5 minutes. Garnish it with some parsley or some coriander, and you are done. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.